Hi, I'm Piyush Rai. I worked in Cisco as a software engineer for around 2 years.
Piyush, can you give us your point of view on Cisco, what the company is?
Okay, so Cisco is a US based company which basically works on networking. In real life, people know about this. It works on a lot of other things also. In India, it's based out in Bangalore, where the second headquarters is there, you can say. And apart from that, in India, its small offices are there in Chennai and Pune. Apart from that, Cisco is having one of the beautiful and the massive campus in Bangalore, which none of the other companies, I can promise you, can offer to a candidate.
Can we see the presence of Cisco in day-to-day things around us?
Okay, so Cisco is one company which you people might not be looking at what the products of Cisco are in your real life, because what happens once you click on a site or website? How does the data go? So it's all handled by the Cisco routers, which are hidden in the servers and in all these places across your buildings and all these things. You might not be seeing. If you go to some good five-star hotel or something, Cisco has all these set-top boxes which are present there in all the rooms mostly. Apart from that, Cisco has a very good tie-up with Indian government, and in most of the offices you have Cisco IP phones, which have really changed the way in which government interacts with the different employees or different level of employees. You can directly have a IP based on which you can directly call to a particular person. So most of the offices are having these technologies. Apart from that, Cisco is having a lot of conversations with the current Prime Minister Modi, and since you all be knowing about the smart city concept which he's trying to bring in. So Cisco has a similar concept in which Cisco is developing Internet of Things. So it has presented all these things to Modi, and recently, like 2 months back, these these things were discussed. And apart from that, we're just focusing and looking forward to it that something will come once Modi is going for the smart city, and we'll be developing some integral pieces of that. And then at that time, mostly you people will be definitely getting a view of Cisco's live product in action. You might have seen this Martian movie which is recently released. Cisco has a lot of things, lot of communication things which Cisco is being using. All these different communications which were happening between the astronaut and all these things. These were done by the Cisco devices and all these. So one of the very much needed system to communicate across the globe is definitely provided by Cisco in most of the places. You'll definitely see these things around you most of the time.
Piyush, we are all very curious to know how is Cisco better than its competitors?
So Cisco is one of the company which started its career, or maybe started very early and got this business in place in market. So Cisco is one of the biggest name in networking. They are working out. You people might have heard about Internet of Things. There's something similar to that is Internet of Everything which Cisco is working on. This is one of the coolest product which I don't think one of any of its competitors will be having. One of the best thing in India, the campus in Bangalore. This is one of the massive, huge. It's like more than half of the tech park which Cisco has taken. So this is not which any other competitor will provide you. And apart from that, the work and the variety of options which you get inside Cisco to work. This is one of the best thing which none of its competitors could give you. Okay, so Cisco being one of the very big leaders, so and very big company which is working on multiple segments of market. So once you come to Cisco, you have a lot of varieties of work which you can put yourself in, and then based on your interest, you can definitely work on a thing which motivates you to work. So I don't think these kind of varieties, option, and a work culture, a work environment, its competitor can give you.
So what are the technologies that Cisco is currently working on?
So Cisco is basically mostly all the time working in networking. This is what people know. But there's a lot of different other stuff which is going across in Cisco which people don't know. So whenever you're building something in networking, you have to work out a lot of things apart from networking to build that networking piece. So one of the coolest thing which Cisco is working on, and which you can see when you go across the site, is iWAN. So which is something like intelligent WAN. So currently most of the people are moving, most of the companies, most of the organizations are moving towards software as a service. So what happens with this is everything resides on your server. So for small companies which have multiple branch offices, so you will be having different employees accessing to different set of data. Someone could be accessing Google, public cloud maybe, so Google, Facebook, and all these things. Someone could be accessing your private cloud where your actual work stuff resides. So someone who's working, and if a company is having only one lease line, all the traffic, all the packets are going through the same line. So in that kind, the productivity of the employees could go down. So what Cisco is working on is a company can have different set of lines. One internet, which is the cheapest one. You can have the lease line, which could be working for all your private clouds, and another line which, in case of failure of one of the lines, you can use that. So what happens is whenever a traffic or a packet comes to a router which is facing outside your network, it just checks, okay, is it going for a public cloud or a private cloud? So based on that, routing happens at that layer, and then you get optimized traffic results, and based on that, the performance and the company's cost of internet and all these things improves, because lease line costs you very high, and internet is way more cheaper than that. So this is one of the coolest product which you can just go across Cisco's website and get to know more about it. So Cisco IWAN is it. It is. Thank you.
Piyush, tell us about the exposure that you can get at Cisco outside of your work.
So Cisco has very good training programs which happens like almost all throughout the year, and there are some very good trainers who come and teach you all these basic, from starting with the basic concepts like C, data structure and all these things, going up to the latest market trends like Node, Angular, JS, and whatever you need to work on in your current program. So based on your manager's approval and based on your interest, you can definitely go and take whichever course free of cost and get to know all these latest things happening around you. So even if you're working on something else, you can learn something new and then try to drive your career from this way to the other way. This is one which technically you can become more stronger if you're not happy with your work and then move on to something else. This is one in technical aspect. Apart from that, fun. Cisco has conducted a lot of trips, a lot of events all throughout the year. We celebrate each and every individual festivals inside our office. We decorated for Republic Day. We go out for Diwali. Once we went out for a trip in Pondicherry, which was like full company sponsored, and it was one of the best trips which I had ever till now. So apart from that, so each of these big companies, they have corporate social responsibility, something of these. So in which you go out and contribute towards the people around you, towards the people who need your help. So few of the events which I attended was Akshay Patra is one of the NGOs which make midday meals for all these schools, all these government schools. So there was one opportunity in which we helped them prepare the meal for a school nearby. We went there, we served the food, we had fun with the school students and all. We made them feel happy, feel special, all these things. Very often we go around the schools nearby Cisco campus and take classes for the students over there. So these are few of the schools which are not able to get teachers, and then people like us who have free time and who want to contribute to the society, we just go around and help those kids to solve their problems in real life and all these things. Apart from that, one of the best thing which you people after BTech or your basic degrees will be thinking, okay, what should I do in higher than that? This level is crossed, what should be the next level? So Cisco has a very great program in which you can just go for a MTech degree while working in Cisco. So Cisco has tie-up with BITS Pilani, and then you can go for correspondence MTech course in your particular major, whichever you want, and you can directly get a degree along with working with Cisco, and then you can directly get a promotion after that. So since you're joined as a BTech, you are at a particular grade. After doing your MTech, you will definitely get promoted to a next level, next higher level. So that is one of the best point which I don't think many other companies offer to you. So this could be very good for you.
So are there ways in which Cisco interacts with students currently in college?
So currently what happens is whenever Cisco goes for recruitment, at that time they will be hiring or maybe giving internship opportunities to the students of third year or maybe below that who have capabilities to come and work with us, learn our stuff, and then contribute towards the society and get to know from us.
So how is the work culture and work environment at Cisco?
Okay, Cisco is one of the chilled out places which you will be going after you get into Cisco. Everyone is happy there. No one, you can't see any tension on anyone's face there. The work hours are fully flexible. You can come at whatever time suits you and go at whatever time until and unless you have completed your work. That's one of the focus, but that's only the time of releases and all these kind of pressure situations only you have to do. Apart from people are very friendly, the managers are very frank. No one usually questions you like, okay, why are you doing this? Why are you doing that? If you have some logical thinking behind that, you can actually go ahead and tell your manager, boss, I think this is not good and you should be going like that. So no one is there to judge based on your experience, based on your level and all these things. This is one of the best point about Cisco I like about my career in Cisco. Apart from that, Cisco, the environment or maybe the office. So the office of Cisco is one of the best. I can just write it and give you. It's one of the best office. If you get into Cisco, you can come here and enjoy. So I'll just list down few of the things which we have. We have 3 gyms. We have a cricket net practice place. We have volleyball. We have food table. We have pool. We have snooker. We have carom, table tennis, 5 to 6 places to play. We have yoga classes. We have aerobics. You name anything, Cisco will be having that inside the office. So since you can see what all are the different number of things which we have, you can just imagine how much big will be the campus. So these are a few of the things which you have definitely. Apart from that, each of the buildings have a different theme flow. So floors, like you can have floors which displays the Bangalore railway station, bus stand. You have floors which is fully on chess. You have floors which displays something like beachside and all. So it's totally amazing. Apart from that, in your stressed out times, Cisco has massage chairs. You have around 8 to 10 massage chairs where you can just go lie down and have your full body massage type things. You can have these. Apart from that, one of the concerns which people have is the food. So how good will be the food, or what will I be eating around, and all these kind of concerns. You don't have to worry about that because Cisco has very big cafeteria which has like meals all 3 times, and the meals are provided at a very subsidized price. The variety which you get there is very high. You name a particular type of dish, that will be there throughout, like once in a time of the week, that will be there. So they have a lot of variety in the food which they provide. So definitely one of the best places where you can just come, work, enjoy and go.